Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is just going to be me cleaning my dorm room. These videos have gotten really popular on YouTube, just like cleaning your room or cleaning your dorm room in general. This video is right after we got back from spring break. I purposely kept my stuff out so that I can film myself cleaning it and like sweeping, laundry, buying groceries, everything like that, organizing stuff, planning. All of that is going to be shown in this video. But if you haven't seen my face before, hey, my name is Love. I'd love if you guys would subscribe down below and join the fam. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So first thing I needed to do was laundry because I had a lot of dirty clothes from spring break. If you did not see where I went for spring break, or if you're curious, I went to West Virginia. I'll have that video linked on the screen in the iBar. But I had a lot of dirty clothes because we were in the mud, we were in trenches, we were climbing mountains, so there's a lot of dirt, coal, and paint on all of these clothes. So I had to separate them in plastic bags so that the rest of my stuff didn't get dirty. And the first thing I did was just unpack and like put everything away, put the clean stuff with the clean stuff and the dirty things with the dirty things. And then I just folded up the duffel bag so it didn't take up too much space, because it's like one of those that it can condense into like a little zippy pocket. So I just went ahead and did that. And then I went downstairs and took all the stuff with me into the laundry room, and I started doing laundry. I separated them into lights and darks. I'm not going to teach you guys how to do laundry, but I usually don't do this, but for this reason I did for some reason. And then I came back, I folded everything, put everything away into these drawers underneath my bed. And I really like the storage that I have here. I have like one plastic storage bin, and then I have another one that the school provided us with. So yeah, I just went ahead and folded my clothes and put everything away where they usually go. I had a lot to put away, so I just try to do it as quick as I can so that they don't sit in the basket for the entire week. Even though they're clean, I just like to just get them out of the way so I can throw the new dirty clothes into the basket. I did grocery shopping. I bought a ton of stuff. Some of the stuff is for like a trip, but there's a lot of food in here. We've got the breakfast food, Pop-Tarts, granola bars, fruit snacks. We've got some Oreo dip things, a ton of chips. Then we got mac and cheese and applesauce. And then we got soup and ravioli. And then we got these diet iced tea drinks here. They're diet green tea with berry. And then we just got some water. But this in total was like around $50 from Walmart. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put this away and be done with this aspect of cleaning. Next thing is groceries, and although this really isn't cleaning, I wanted to show it anyways. And I kind of just organized all of my groceries into this bin. So I'm just like arranging them by height order and sizes, I guess, and categories sort of. I'm not going to really talk through this clip. I'm just going to let you guys watch and see. And then I go ahead and store this bin under my bed at the end and put everything away. Now for some actual cleaning, I went ahead and swept up our dorm. I don't know if this was before or after. I just recorded myself doing it because I knew I wanted to make this video. So I'm going ahead and sweeping our dorm. The dorms are all wooden floors, so they can get dirty really quickly, especially if you don't have a rug. Then I went ahead and washed some dishes because they were piling up, and I hate when my dishes pile up because they kind of just sit there for a week until I have time to wash it, because I can get super busy to the point I can't even wash my dishes. Then this is my little kitchen on a cart. I like to call it that because it literally has everything you can find in your kitchen, but like on a little mini cart, and it rolls around too, so like if I need to move it out the way to sweep quickly, I can do that. And I just went ahead and put my plates back where they go on the little cart. And then I needed to take out the trash because that john was overflowing, and You guys know how to take out trash. We have a trash room down the hall, and then we just throw it in there, and they clean it out for us in the morning. Last but not least was planning, and I'm sorry that this clip is so like stiff looking. I recorded it on my camera in time lapse, and then I tried to slow it down in iMovie, and it just looks weird, but I decided to keep it in anyways, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys all so very much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, leave me some comments down below because I do read those and I do respond. And if you haven't yet, tell your friends about this channel so they can subscribe to me as well. And I really am trying to grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers this year, so I'd love if you guys can help me do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.